An algebra textbook has a total of 1382 pages. It is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has 64 pages, more than the first part. How many pages are in each part of the book? So such word problems while you are doing, you have to read the problem more than twice to understand the problem thoroughly. And either in the right hand side or at the bottom of the paper, you have to draw a line for the rough work while doing this mathematical problems. Now, see here, there is one textbook, and textbook has total number of pages 1382. Now what they have given, it is broken up into two parts. So let us assume this is first part and this is second part. Now the second part of the book has 64 pages, more than the first part. Now let us assume that the first part has X number of pages. We don't know. But here what they are stating, the second part of the book has 64 pages, more than the first part. Suppose if the first part we are assuming them as X pages, then the second part becomes X plus 64. Means it is more than 64 pages compared to the first part. Now, how many pages are in each part of the book? So already here they have given total number of the pages are 1382. So if we add first part and second part, we will get the total number of pages. Therefore, the equation how it becomes, x plus 64 is equal to 1382. So this is the equation. Now if we write in the form of word problem, now let us take the first part as x. Now second part is equal to x plus 64. Now total number of pages is equal to 1382. So the required equation becomes x plus 64 is equal to 1382. So as these are two variables, so we can add x plus x becomes 2x plus 64 is equal to 1382. So 2x, this plus 64 if you transpose, it becomes minus 64. 2x is equal to 1382 minus 64. 2x is equal to, if we do subtraction, so how much we can get? 12. 12 minus 4, 8, and this becomes 7. 7 minus 6, 1, 3, 1, 8. Therefore 1318. Now x is equal to 1318 by 2. As 2 is multiplying with x here, after transposing it will divide. Therefore x is equal to 1318. If we divide, 2 6 are 12, 1 1, and 2 5s are 10, 1 8, and 2 9s are 18. Therefore x is equal to 659. So what we have assumed x as first part of the book. Therefore, x is equal to 69. Okay. Now, we have to find out the second part also. So, what is second part? From the problem we have written, second part is equal to x plus 64. That is x plus 64. How much x already we have? 659 plus 64. So if we add 9, 4, 13, 6, 5, 11 and 12, 7, 23. So the second part is 723. So first part we have 659. Second part we have 723. If we add two parts, we have to get total number of pages. If we are not getting, then somewhere we have done the problem wrong, either in the subtraction or in the division. So to recheck what we have got the results, we have to do the addition. So 659 plus 723. So 9 plus 3 it is 12, 5 to 7, 8 and 7 plus 6 it is 1382. So therefore the problem we have solved, that the first part has 659 pages and the second part has 723 pages.